same since day one. I've been there. Hop in the whip, run through the town, then I spin back. Maryland Terps or the O's on my fit cap. Represent that, represent that, yeah.
What's up, y'all? So you might be wondering.
I got the champion on.
Where's the champion?
I didn't even mean it.
You are the champion. Alright, so you might be wondering where the heck I have been. Like I said, I'm making all my other videos that I was gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna keep it steady every week, have a video, but I didn't do that this time. Well, it's because we were busy moving, you feel me? I'll show you my crib. Keep the crib right now.
So you want to be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
You've got to pimp my ride.
And then my luck, like right after that, we got the flu, so we couldn't really do no videos. I was just kind of in bed, but we're about to go hit one of these another takeover meet, and then you know what I'm saying, we about to go get some footage, and I got some extra tires with me, so hopefully you can get a couple. Everybody has been requesting to get outside of the car footage of my car, so we're gonna do that. Oh shit.
Did you see their car?
No, they just almost hit my car. Yo, so that was crazy. I know, like she was saying, we've never seen like the cops trying to like get someone
literally
like that. They literally was really trying to like run him over.
Yes,
That's OD for what? Like
just
you guys are
like,
grassy, man.
he
You're
was
grassy
running.
as hell. But hopefully the next spot we can try and get some drifties in. So hopefully you do that. Yo, rev it up, yo. Rev it up. Oh yeah, dude, yeah. You wanna get?
When the light turns, let me get.
Oh yeah. For $5, $5. $5. Where's my money? Straight out of Tokyo Drift. For real though. Everybody's like, yes. I see the police. Run! Run! Ooh! Yo, this is slow. Oh shit, man! I shit my bed. What is that, bro?
Bruh. Are you a cop?
You're doing a good job.
5 stars.
Hey yo, it's tired.
Oh shit!
Hey yo. I'm sorry guys for like that weak ass drift. I don't know what's it's like the ground. I don't know if you could see it. I know it's like an excuse or no, but this ground kind of sucks, and like I don't have a manual, so I can't just like clutch kick. So we done effed up, yo. Hey yo.
No, it's the Tesla.
Hey yo. Hey, that bitch hard. Watch out, watch out. Like, you're ready. Hey, yo, everybody's geeking. What the hell? There's a whole fire truck. I don't know what the hell happened, but there's a whole fire truck, firemen, everything. That's crazy.
If you bout living large, nigga, pull up a chair. Let's create a blueprint to have us living like Hove. Legal hustles, we above whipping bricks on the stove. I need a